we will never ever forget. Again, palakpakan po natin, Sarah Gian Babu! We are not yet done with the fireworks. Hindi talaga ang mga explosive happenings dito, no? Pero ang napansin ko, parang isa na lang yung coach ngayon na lang nakuuna yung The Boys. Original coaches natin. Sa Bicol, and that was it! On cue! Grabe naman, oh. Bago tayo